CMHF, the Coupeville Maritime Heritage Foundation, is now officially, we have a bank account, we have our state UBI numbers and all of the numbers we need to have this foundation up and running. We've raised roughly about $65,000 so far for the foundation, and again our first project will be SUVA. But in the big picture we have a lot more aspirations and dreams for the town of Coupeville and our maritime heritage here on Whidbey Island in general. You know, the pier here again is an icon. So
thank you both so much for your kind donation to the Coupeville Maritime Heritage Foundation to bring SUVA home. So the mosquito-free chili here in Coupeville has given us a kind donation to bring SUVA home and help with the foundation's efforts to our maritime heritage here in Coupeville. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. A little bit help, you know, part of the community